Neide, and I'm from Austria, and I'm on level 5, and I've been taking my classes, intensive English classes, for about a month now. I decided to join because I've never actually had the opportunity to go to school. It's a different situation in my case, but I wanted to do this for myself, for self-growth. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to join. I wanted to learn English because in the job that I do, communication is very important. So I decided to do it, as I said before, for self-growth, for improvement, and a better communication, especially for the type of job that I do. For me, one of the toughest things is the writing. That's one subject that I really don't like, and but I'm glad that I have a very good professor, Zach. He's helping me through it, and he's teaching me a lot. So I guess with time, maybe I'll feel more confident and a better writing. That's what I'm hoping for. Well, for me, what I can say about this experience is it's been great. I've met very nice people in my class, and for people like me who doesn't really like the cold weather, especially where I live, it's very, very cold. So Florida is the perfect place. It has the best weather, so the climate is perfect. So it's a nice place to definitely come and, spend some time and, do whatever you need to do. I'll definitely recommend them to join. And as I said, it's a great place, and you have a lot to learn here, so it's highly recommended. Thank you so much, and hope to see you guys soon.